In this video, we're going to show you how you can select samples to an object list and import that object list into the spreadsheet, bringing all the metadata about the work along with it in a couple of clicks. So let's begin. First of all, I am logged into a service. I'm on the analytical team. I've been asked to do some work. This is all of the work that has been requested that at the moment has not been completed. And we can see the samples are listed here. I can filter to those that are not in the object list. I can also say all of those not received, which happens to be everything you see. And I've taken out anything that's already got a list of work associated with it. And now I'm going to select all of those and add them to an object list. So the first is I'd like to say, let's say that they're received. And then let's add them to a list. It's called one. Let's give it a free name and assign it to myself. And let's remove that filter. Now I can see that we have some samples that are not received, two different object lists here. We can have a look at those as in a specific object list. So we have a demo. We can see the samples that I've selected. So this is just demonstrating the different types of filters that you can have. Now let's switch to E-WorkBook. Let's create an experiment in E-WorkBook using a pre-set up template that's been configured to work with this service offering. So I can click here, create an ELN record, decide where I want to put it. Give it a name. And now we have an E-WorkBook experiment. Over here, if I have an instruction that takes me directly to this place, I can see the object lists and also any other direct jobs of work that I need to do that are assigned to me, and it's a simple matter of adding those to my spreadsheet, and all of the parameters are then filled out. And this particular view can obviously be customized to the type of workflow that you need, at the type of service that you're set up. So this is probably what you would call a back-end table to a normal user presentation. But what you can see here is that there's the request IDs have been brought across. Let's expand those. So we have the request IDs being brought across, the links to it, who did it, what the status of it was, so forth and so on and so on and so on. You're also able to update the status of work, so you can change the status of a request by clicking this button here.